This course is an opportunity to engage with the local community here in Guatemala, to learn more about yourself and the gifts that you have to bring to this world, and then to understand the intersection of yoga, permaculture, and sustainable change.
This course is a yoga teacher training that takes place in a fully functioning organic permaculture farm that's been around for 8 years.
This course is an opportunity to really study and dive deep into your practice with globally recognized teachers that are very interested in supporting you in your own unique expression of what yoga means to you and in the world. You'll learn asana, meditation. You'll also learn concrete tools to better connect with Mother Nature, Pachamama, as well as build a global network of friends and supporters.
You get to come to this amazing, beautiful spot in Guatemala that really does hold a lot of beauty and wisdom in the land and the people. Zununa is a community of Mayan people, and we really do, within this program, look at ways to connect with the community around us.
As always, the food and lodging takes place at the amazing Bamboo Guest House, which is a natural building that proves that sustainable buildings can be comfortable and high quality. All rooms have hot showers, amazing balconies with hammocks and views of the lake and the volcanoes around it.
Here in this training to really support you in uncovering what it is that you would like to bring, your unique expression of yoga, how yoga fits you and what it might mean in your life.